Living in a small space can be challenging, but with the right tips, you can maximize every inch. Let's dive into creative solutions to make your small room feel bigger and more functional. First up, let's talk about mirrors. A large mirror can make your room appear bigger and brighter. Place it to enhance natural light and create the illusion of more space. By reflecting light, mirrors can double your room's brightness while adding depth and dimension. Start with a statement piece that can transform your environment. Next, think vertical. Use tall shelving and hanging plants to free up floor space. This not only adds storage, but also brings a touch of greenery to your room. Using vertical space creatively can make your small room feel airy and organized. Stay with us as we reveal more ingenious ways to maximize every inch of your space. Tip 3. Hidden treasures. Look for furniture with built-in storage. Ottomans with hidden compartments, beds with drawers, and multifunctional pieces can maximize your space. Choosing these smart options keeps your room tidy and organized without sacrificing style. Finally, consider multi-purpose furniture. Imagine a desk that doubles as a dining table or a sofa that converts into a bed. These versatile pieces save space and add tremendous flexibility to your room. There you have it, 4 easy ways to maximize your small space. Try these tips and see the difference yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more space-saving ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.